You're welcome to Yoruba Essentials. Today we are looking at Yoruba proverbs on being blessed. Enjoy, and Jesus loves you. One does not carry elephant meat on one's head and dig cricket holes with one's big toe. A kì í gbé ẹran erin lérí ká máa fẹsẹ̀ wa ihò irẹ̀. If one is blessed with plenty, one should not keep chasing after trifles. The inheritance is never so abundant that one shares it with neighbors. Ogún kì í pọ̀ ká pín fún aládùúgbò. However abundantly one is blessed, one should manage one's resources wisely. Whoever likes fineries should engage in a trade. It is the person blessed by riches who is wise. Ẹni tí ọ̀ṣọ́ bá wù kó ṣòwò, ẹni ayé yálé rẹ̀ ló gbọ́n. Ẹni ajé yálé rẹ̀ ló gbọ́n. Good things come only to the industrious. A person who is blessed with good fortune but lacks good character, his character will ruin his or her good fortune. Ẹni tó lórí rere tí kò níwà, ìwà rẹ̀ ni yóò ba orí rẹ̀ jẹ́. Evil character ruins good destiny. The dearth of money never afflicts dada. Ìṣẹ́ owó kìí ṣẹ́ dada. Dada olówó ẹyọ. Dada who is blessed with coins. One will never lack whatever is part of one's essence. Dada is the name automatically given to a child born with an abundance of curly hair. The curls being likened to the traditional currency of cowrie shells, are sometimes referred to as owo, and people customarily offer coins to such children. The dirt of shoes never afflicts the white man. Iṣẹ́ bàtà kìí ṣẹ́ òyìnbó. The dirt of agbada, traditional Yoruba garment, never afflicts the Muslim. Iṣẹ́ agbada kìí ṣẹ́ ìmàle. A person is never short of something that characterizes him. The dirt of watches does not afflict the white man. Iṣẹ́ ago kìí ṣẹ́ òyìnbó. One never lacks a thing for which one is the source. Ẹni Ọlọ́run dá ò ṣe é farawé. The person fashioned by God is not one to emulate. It is unwise to emulate people who have means that you do not have. Ẹni Ọlọ́run dá, translated literally as a person fashioned by God, actually means a person who is under God's constant protection. Èkó ò dùn lójú ẹni tí ò lówó lọ́wọ́. The city of Lagos offers no pleasures in the view of a penniless person. Without money, one is shut out of many pleasures. Iṣẹ́ aago kìí ṣe òyìnbó. This proverb and its variants are based on the fact that the white man introduced the watch to Yoruba land and is never seen without shoes. Iṣẹ́ agbádá kìí ṣe ìmàle. The agbada is the characteristic attire of the Muslim. You pray for the death of the household horse. There will never be another horse in your lineage. Ẹ ń gbàdúrà kẹ́ṣin lé kú, ẹ ò ní lẹ́ṣin mìíràn níran yín mọ́. Any household that wishes for the destruction of its most illustrious member will never again be blessed with a worthy member. Thank you, Lord. Loftily, 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 the raised hand reaches above the head. Gbọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń yọjú orí. The person blessed with extraordinary qualities will always stand out in a group. The steamed seasoned bean mash is already blessed with clothes to wear. It is the case of the fried bean fritters that constitutes a problem. Ọ̀lẹ̀lẹ̀ ti ráṣọ wọ̀, tàkàrà ló ṣòro. Some people are naturally blessed while others have to struggle for every advantage. A day does not dawn without formation of the morning dew. Ojú kìí mọ́ kéjì òwúrọ̀ máa rọ̀. Kéjì òwúrọ̀ máa rọ̀. A prayer that one might always find blessing, just as the morning is always blessed with dew. Thank you for listening. Those are proverbs about the blessed. God bless you.